Hello everyone, welcome to my painting session. Since the very beginning of my childhood, I was always a fan of drawing and painting. I started many different forms of painting, starting with pencil color. I moved on to watercolor, then I also tried oil painting and acrylic painting, but for the longest time I did pencil sketches, and I was having a lot of fun making portraits of humans and also like creating scenarios. But it's been so long I haven't had my hands on a canvas. So I'm super excited today to try out and restart this hobby of mine. So I got two medium size of canvas from Staples. Staples has all the necessities you need for crafts, painting, and stuff like that. Most of the time, they offer buy one get one 50% off or buy one get one for free. So I grabbed two same size canvas. The price I don't remember right now, but it was very decent. Their canvases are really good. Never buy canvas from Dollarama or stores like that because the difference is huge. Those kind of canvas you wouldn't really feel good painting on them, and I believe they won't even last long. The material is very lightweight and not something you would like to paint on. These canvases have a relatively thick base, and the fabric is quite different, which is perfect for acrylic or oil painting. Here I was opening the packaging. At this point, I was tired of opening the packages only and also needed some time to think what kind of painting I would do. So needed a snack break, and then I found my theme of the painting. So I put the canvases in my balcony, and here I'm opening the white acrylic paint that I bought for my base. Never skip your base painting, which is the white base acrylic paint on your canvases. It really makes a huge difference. Without this, your regular painting wouldn't sit nicely on the fabric. I love this stage of doing the base on my canvas. You can just pour the color and go in any direction. It's the most fun part of painting on a canvas. After doing the base, I would be letting them sit in the air for many hours. It's best to keep it for the day and start your painting the next day. I am so sad that my phone did not record any of the other clips for this painting. My phone went out of storage and I did not realize. So all I can show you guys is the final outcome here. Do not have any clips of the procedure, unfortunately. However, this is the final results, and as you can see, the theme is pampas grasses in the nature. So you can see the pampas in the canvas down below, and on the top it's like the sky and the clouds. The whole theme was neutral, so I only used very light colors, mostly white, and used some painting spatula to create the textures. And for the pampas grasses, I used a regular glue gun and painted on top of them, which created this nice texture. This is my first ever texture art on canvas, and I'm happy with the outcome. Also did the framing all by myself using some hard cardboard, and then painted golden acrylic painting on top of the frame. Really gives a nice finish to the painting. These are gonna go on my living room wall. My whole theme of the house is neutral, so only one for neutral color. You guys let me know, how do you guys think of the outcome? Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.